Have you ever dreamed about a material thing for a long time and once you get it, it's like, So how is it going, guys, and welcome to Make Mood. Welcome to today's episode. Basically what I want to share with you are the three things that made my reality versus my expectations within this car be completely disconnected. So the first thing that we're gonna talk, it's about the suspension. I thought the suspension was bad. Well, it's beyond bad. It's horrible. It's extremely soft, and you'll see it. Let's do the following test. I'm gonna put a bunch of GoPros and I'm gonna share this footage. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna start pressing the brake and seeing how the car behaves. It shakes so bad. The second thing that is super weird from this car is the brake pedal. I don't know why, but the brake pedal is extremely hard. So once you are pressing that brake pedal, combining that thing with the soft suspension, then the feeling is nauseous. My wife is telling me every single day that we're going for a ride that I should learn how to brake. Maybe she's right, but let me show you the brake pads and basically the rotors. What you can see is that rotors in the front are much bigger than the ones that we do have in the back. I'm not quite sure if that's the reason, but let me show you how it feels. And the third point, guys, as you can imagine, miles per gallon. This one is actually averaging 13 miles per gallon. Quite interesting if you think about that. Has a V6 4.0 engine. I was comparing this one with the Ram. The Ram has a 5.7 V8 engine, but here's the catch. The Ram produces 400 horsepower and this one is producing only 270. So quite interesting, spending the same amount of gallons, same amount of money to fuel this gas and having a completely different experience. If you like today's content, please like, share and subscribe. I hope we can save people from having wrong expectations versus, reality. So until the next time, peace out.